Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to filter the data using MySQL, that too order by class. So first we will create some database, then we can get into the database. After that, we will create some table, then we will going to insert the data into a table. Then we will be doing a filtering the data using order by class. Okay. So let's open the MySQL workbench. Then I'll just create some database. Okay, first step we have to create a database. Create database. Then you can provide some name. Okay, I'll just mention adTech like that. Just select and run this one. So database has been created successfully. If I refresh, here you can see adTech that will be coming. Then I want to get into that database. For that, I just mention use that database name. Okay. So I'm inside the database. Now I can create some data randomly. I'll just create some table. Okay. Create table. Table name we can provide. I'll just mention learners. Then just add a name, their name. It should be type. Okay, first I'll just add id will be integer data type, and it will be a primary key, like that I can mention primary key. Then second column, it should be a name. Then it will be a worker data type will be worker. Again, the courses they have enrolled, again that should be a worker only. 50. Okay, I just created 3 columns. Okay, I have created empty data set. Suppose, see, if you want to check that what it will be there, select everything from learners. So it will be an empty data set. I haven't updated any data into that. That's why here we are getting a null values. Then I'll going to insert some value to that one. How could I insert the data into that? Already we have done that in the last class. So I'll just mention insert into, I'll just mention that learners. Okay, insert into, I'll just mention the value, or you just provide the name also. I'll just skip that naming part. Then I'll just get into the values only. Values. Values are like, what is that? First will be the one, and the second will be a name. Name you can provide anything. I'll just mention X or Z. Okay, I'll mention X. The name will be X, and he have opted the course for SQL. Okay, I supposed to mention like this, SQL. Then second one, again it will be a 2, and here I can mention A. The name not A, I'll just mention C. Then here opted for machine learning, I'll just mention ML. Then another guy will be like ID will be 3, and his name will be like B. I can mention a B. Then he opted a course for AWS. And another guy, his ID will be 4, and his name will be like Y, and he opted for not Y. I'll put M. I'll put M. Some randomly middle value we can take it. Any name. This is just a name I'm providing. Okay. Then it should be like AWS, and any other, yeah, data science we can mention data science like DS. Okay, these are the courses they have enrolled. Like this is the information I'm updating to that table. Let me see that table. Select star from learner. Okay, this is the data set, I got it. So suppose you want to sort out the data based on, you want to ascending order, you want to sort out the data based on the ascending order, like name, based on the name. Suppose you want to get A, B, C, D like that. Then we have to make a order by class. How can we do that? Select everything, means a star, from learners we have to mention the table name. Then I have to mention order by. Then based on which column I'm doing, that I have to mention. Then select everything, just run. Here you can see the ID and the courses get changed according to the name. Here I'm filter out the data or doing ascending order. B, C, M, X. So X in the beginning, X, C, B, M, it was coming like that. But when I apply for order by class, I'll be getting B, C, M. So I'm filtering or ascending, making an ascending order of the table based on the naming. So this is how we can use a order by to filter out the data or make data analysis or data manipulation. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.